And the race is on. Snake Me is Spaghetti. Fast to begin rushing up from the outside is D of Jade. And down on the inside is Maximum Exposure Celestial. Also rushing up. The Snake Me is Spaghetti. On the outside, D of Jade. And rushing up Maximum Exposure. Ever Charming on the further outside. Inside the last 500, D of Jade. Maximum Exposure. Ever Charming. Also rushing up is Celestial Siglug. Also joining them as they race the final corner. D of Jade, Ever Charming. Celestial in the middle. Siglug on the further outside. It's now Siglug followed by Celestial down on the inside. D of Jade rushing up is Lifeline. Siglug, Lifeline on the outside, but still Siglug followed by Lifeline, and finally Siglug. Lifeline number 1, Summer Rain, Celestial, D of Jade, Ever Charming, Tutinelli, Maximum Exposure,